What's happening, folks? Welcome back for another video. Here we're in the backyard going to do a little work on the shed. So this shed I built last year, and if you look on the inside of these doors, it's starting to get a little bit of wear and tear down at the bottom due to the sprinkler water hitting this thing constantly. So what I want to try and do is use the technique the Japanese have been doing for hundreds of years, the Shou Sugi Ban practice, to help preserve this wood. So let's clean all the stuff out of the shed and then get to work on it. So all I'm using here is the little handheld propane torch that you can pick up from any hardware store. So I try and hold the torch end 2 to 3 inches away from the wood and keep it constantly moving, because if you keep it too long in one spot, you'll get too much of a char. Except for around the little knot holes, I try and put a little bit extra char on that. I've found that I've gotten some of the best results going with the grain of the wood. So hopefully by doing this, it'll help preserve these doors for a little bit longer. Plus, I think it just looks pretty cool. So if you have a wood project coming up and can't decide what color to paint it, burn it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.